So now, we're moving into our next footwork move. What we're doing, everyone squat, neutral. Okay, so there are two types of footwork. There's circular footwork, which moves in a rotation, and there's symmetrical footwork, which goes side to side. So it's just a replication of one move on one side and doing it on the other side the exact same way, okay? So we are going to try our first symmetrical footwork step, and it's called a CC. It's called a CC. It's named after the Crazy Commanders, legendary crew in New York. It is one of my favorite moves. Cross. Wait, right. Let's start on the right foot. It's fine. Doesn't matter which foot we start on. Left hand high. Okay. So you're going to bring your left hand to the front, right by your knee. Okay. Back. Here, and you're going to move your body forward into the motion. Okay. Switch. Switch hands. Nice little V shape. Forward into the motion. Forward, so a little bit past your knee. Okay, a little bit past your knee. Good. Switch. Hand here. Hand here. Good. Switch. Hand here. Hand here. Good. Okay, up. How's that feel? Cool?
Yeah, that's much
Balance. What?
That's much more comfortable.
Good. Okay, now the knee movement. What you're going to do, stick your hands out like this. We're going to kick ourselves in the hand with the side of our foot. Facing as forward as you can. You see how my foot is turned out? Thighs are almost touching, body still facing the front. This move is so rad, I can't wait. Okay. Good. Cool. See, you see how your hip kind of tweaks and pulls back? Okay. Kick in the butt. Right? Okay, so it's a 90-degree angle. It's a slight twist in the hip, so you feel tension right here. Right here, okay? And it's a snap. It's a snap, yes. Snap it. Right? Good. Good, 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 good. Now, that V shape is not kept as strong, but your thighs don't actually touch. Okay, so just keep that in mind. It's still slightly apart. Squat. Okay, right leg out, slightly bent knee. You're going to reach forward, and you're going to do that kick. We're just going to do it on one side. Yep. See? Oh, it gets so awkward. Good. Back up. Back up. Okay, so the natural tendency to, when you first start this move, is to go like this. Like you're like leaning forward instead of flicking. I think hacky sack. Hacky sack. Hacky sack. Y'all know what a hacky sack is. It means I'm old. Hacky sack. Okay. Same movement on the ground. Alright, so I'm going to show you what not to do first, and then I'm going to show you how to actually force your body to do this. Okay. So when I reach forward, right, don't go like this. Right, it's not leaning into the movement. It's stopping the movement right about here and letting the leg pull you back down. Okay, so it's here. Yeah, yep, yep, that flick. It's so weird at first, but once you get it, you're gonna get it. Yep, yep. Make your hips stop you. Now, the other thing to keep in mind is try to point your toe like this. Point your toe and do it. This makes it harder. Point your toe. Good. And make it a baby kick. Make it tiny. Make it tiny. Small and quick. Bam. Right back down. Right back down. Yeah, good. Let's try the other side. Switch. This might be easier. I always start on the hard side first. The left foot is always mostly awkward for people that are right-handed. So, you know, if anybody's left-handed, y'all got it good because I'm right-handed, so you'll learn it both ways really easily. Left foot, reaching forward, flick. Yeah, yep. Again, flick. Again, flick. Yeah, again, flick. Good. Again, flick. Good. Okay. Now, here is the icing on the cake that makes this move that much more difficult, but that much more awesome. How you switch your legs is everything. And this, you switch with no hands. Okay? So it looks like this. We're just going to practice the no-handed switch. It's called Russian kicks. Yeah, it's a good way to start. So you're going to go right foot, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Good. I didn't want to do it for so long. It is exhausting. Okay, so you're going to go right hand down, left hand forward, tiny little flick. Yeah. Hand forward, tiny little flick. 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 Good. Hard, yeah? Yeah. Okay. Back up, shake legs out. So, this movement, like I said, is a reflection. It's symmetrical, it's on both sides. It's the exact same movement. So when you practice it at home, look at it on one side first, okay? When you're practicing this, look at it on one side first. Get it right on that side, and do the other side by itself. Get it right on that side, then do back to this side, then back and forth, and then start the switch. Then start the switch. Again, everything is built very slow. Very slow. The movement itself, when you see it, it looks pretty straightforward, but your body's just not used to this weird stuff. Your body's used to this stuff. So take it really slow, okay? Let's cross and go into the step. So, cross, swivel, corkscrew, left foot out. Alright, so there's two ways to start this. You can go immediately into the CC, pop, switch, pop, switch, pop, switch, pop, switch. We're going to keep going. Pop, switch, yeah. Pop, switch, pop, switch, pop, switch. Good. Your thighs, your wrists, your quads, your ankles, your knees, your neck, everything. You'll feel it all. Okay. So, this movement is meant to go on quarter time. But for now, do it on half time. Okay? So instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. We're just going to split it in half. So don't. How are we doing? Yeah? Are we ready? You guys want to go one more time without the music? One more time? Yeah, one more time without the music. Okay, so from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Down, left, out. I'm going to go straight into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Yeah. Okay. How's that feel? Good. Good. That was good.
When you're coming into the kick, is it absolutely necessary that you make contact with the ground?
Only in the beginning. Once you learn that form, break the form as much as you want. Break the form as much as you want, because initially, it's just good to have that initial correct form. Remember, it's really close to the knee. The body is really compact. Again, there's speed in this, so everything has to stay really close. But after that, all you want, like, to get that first one right. Okay. Music. Woo! moving. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Good. Again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! Shoulders, legs, and thighs. Alright. Let's do it one more time to the beat. One more time to the beat, and I'll show you again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, kick, switch, kick, switch, kick, switch, kick, switch, kick, switch, kick. Good.